The next topic we're going to take a look at in statistics is mean. So mean is also known as the average of a set of data. It's a measure of central tendency. So remember from Monday, central tendency is a value that represents the center of a set of data. And it can be median, mean, or mode. All you have to do to calculate the mean of a set of data is to find the sum of the values and divide by the number of values in the set. So I'll walk through two different examples. Here you're going to calculate the sum of all these values. 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4. And then you're going to divide by the number of values in this set. So this set has 9 values. We're going to divide by 9. We get 61 divided by 9, which is equal to 6 78 hundredths. I just rounded it up to the nearest hundredth. So this is going to be mean. Pretty straightforward. The second example, we're just working with numbers that are a little bit larger. So we have mean is equal to 300 plus 250 plus 400 plus 300 plus 250. And we're going to divide by 5. So we have mean is equal to 1500 divided by 5. Mean is equal to 300.